Exercise number 4. Given the sets K with those elements, we have set L with those elements. We need to use the membership symbols to complete here. And you remember that the membership symbols are this one, member symbols. They are this one and this one. We have two symbols. Membership symbols are those ones. That's why we need to use those symbols or this one to complete here. For age, we have 5 dash dash K. First of all, we have to consult if 5 is included in set K, element of set K. Now, 1, 3, 5 here. You see, 5 is a member of set K. Now, 5 is a member of set K. Now, I have to use this one. For B, 6 is not a member of set L. Here we have 6. Now 6 is a member of set L. For C, 1 is not a member of L. We don't have 1 here. You see? Now have to use this one. For D, 2 dash dash K. 2 is not a member of, we don't have a 2 here. You see? In set K, we don't have no 2. So this 2 here is not a member of set K. But 13, you see, here I have 13 in K. 13 in K, you have to say that 13 is a member of set K. That's why we'll use this symbol to mean that 13 is a member of set K. Here you can read 5 belongs to set K, 6 belongs to set L, 1 does not belong to set L, 2 does not belong to set K, and number E, which is 13, belongs to set K. Right? So, thank you for watching this video and welcome back to Maxwell's TV.